Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to speed up Xbox download speed. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as administrator. In the black window, type the following commands one by one. After that, restart your PC again. Click Start, Settings, then Windows Update. Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Delivery Optimization. Turn off Allow downloads from other PCs. XD, open Task Manager using Ctrl plus Shift plus SC. Click on the Details tab. Right-click Gaming Services.exe, then click Set Priority, High. Do the same for Xbox App.exe, and then hit like and subscribe.